Hi, in the last few weeks, it's been quite exciting in the world of running LLMs locally on your machine. Here, I've got a PC with AMD Ryzen 5800 CPU with 32 GB RAM and an NVIDIA 3060 with 12 GB GPU. So it's quite a powerful machine. And I've got Ollama installed with about 4 models. In this case, I've got a Google Gemma model, Llama 3 model, and Microsoft's recently released Phi 3 model. So I got about 4 models. Llama 2 Uncensored we are not going to be seeing, but I've got 3 models installed here. I'm using Docker to run the Open Web UI interface so that I can access these models from a web UI. So with that aside, let's go to Llama 3 and ask this fundamental question on what is the secret of life. Notice the speed in which the local model is going to respond. So I'm going to be doing this. What is the secret of life? I'm going to be running Meta's Llama 3 model and see the response. It's going to be, initially it takes a little bit of time, but then once you start interacting with the model, it's really fast. You can actually see how fast it paints, and the difference and the contrast will be very clear when we try it with ChatGPT a little later. Now that's with Llama 3. Let's try with Google's Gemma model and we'll ask the same question. We'll go to Google Gemma and ask the same question. What is the secret of life? It's going to be a little bit more faster because it's a smaller model than Llama 3. Again, each model has a startup time, but if you see the painting, it's like really fast. And it's able to give me a different interesting answer. We'll not be reading the answers. Let's try the Microsoft's latest Phi 3 model and then ask the same question. What is the secret of life? And you'll see the response in this case should be a little smaller because this is a smaller model. Now that we have seen Google's Gemma, Microsoft Phi, Llama 3, let's ask this in the gold standard ChatGPT on what is the secret of life. And that's going to take a bit of time, and it's going to go to the cloud, do all its magic and give you the answers. But you see, it's taking a little bit more time to construct the entire answer. So one of the things that you can see, if these smaller models are okay for you, that's all you need, then it tends to be a lot more faster, and you don't need to be paying for this because you'll be running them on your local machine. Of course, the only investment is on the hardware and the power. Thank you. So check out these models. Thanks.